Oh la la, Paris, the city of love, lights, and endless charm. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the quaint cobblestone streets, Paris is a place that captures the heart and soul of every visitor. But don't let it break the bank. While Paris is known for its luxury and elegance, there are plenty of ways to experience its magic without spending a fortune. Why did the baguette go to the doctor? Because it was feeling crumby. But seriously, the simple pleasures like a fresh baguette from a local bakery can be one of the most delightful and affordable experiences in Paris. All right, enough with the jokes. But seriously, Paris. Oh, Paris, the Seine River, the historic landmarks, the art, the culture. It's also enchanting. It's a dream, isn't it? The city of lights, romance, and delicious pastries, from the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower at night to the mouth-watering pastries in every bakery window. Paris is a feast for the senses. But let's be real, it can be a bit pricey. Dining at a fancy restaurant or staying in a luxurious hotel can quickly add up. Ever wondered how to enjoy the magic of Paris without emptying your wallet? Imagine having a picnic near the Eiffel Tower, or capturing the perfect photo at a famous landmark without spending a dime. Or what are the most common mistakes people make that end up costing them a fortune? Navigating the city can be tricky, and it's easy to fall into tourist traps. Stay tuned, mes amis, because we're about to spill the tea, or should I say café au lait, on how to save those precious euros while living it up in the French capital. From budget-friendly dining options to free attractions, we've got you covered. Because, trust me, Paris is best enjoyed when you're not constantly counting your pennies. So let's dive into the secrets of experiencing Paris like a local without breaking the bank. A croissant a day could empty your pockets. We all know those tempting little boulangeries are irresistible. The aroma of freshly baked croissants wafting through the air, the golden flaky crust calling out to you. It's almost impossible to walk by without stopping. And while a fresh croissant here and there is a must, making it a daily habit can really add up. Imagine spending a few euros every single day. It might not seem like much at first, but over time, it can really take a toll on your wallet. Same goes for those cute little cafes. They're perfect for a leisurely morning or an afternoon break, but those frequent visits can quickly become an expensive routine. Did you know a simple cup of coffee can cost you a small fortune if you're not careful? A few euros here, a few euros there. It all adds up faster than you might think. The key is to find that sweet spot, indulging in those Parisian treats strategically, rather than making them an everyday thing. Maybe treat yourself once or twice a week, savoring each bite and sip rather than making it a daily habit. Remember, those euros can be better spent on experiencing other amazing things Paris has to offer. From visiting iconic landmarks to enjoying unique cultural experiences, there's so much more to explore and enjoy in this beautiful city. Tourist traps, beware. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, iconic, yes, but also surrounded by tourist traps waiting to pounce on your wallet. Overpriced souvenirs, anyone? And those restaurants with the Eiffel Tower view, they know they've got you. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Some of the most authentic and affordable experiences are found in the charming little streets away from the main attractions. Embrace the local vibes, and your wallet will thank you for it. Ever heard of the Parisian flaneur? It means stroller, observer, someone who enjoys the simple pleasures of city life. And guess what? This lifestyle is free. Instead of hopping on expensive tour buses, put on your comfy shoes and get lost in the enchanting streets of Paris. Wander through parks, admire the architecture, soak up the atmosphere. It's the best way to experience the true essence of Paris without spending a dime. Taxis in Paris, chic, but definitely not budget-friendly. The metro, my friends, is your new best friend. It's efficient, affordable, and will get you pretty much anywhere you need to go. And don't forget about the Velib, Paris's bike-sharing system. It's a fun and healthy way to explore the city while getting some exercise in. Plus, it's a fraction of the cost of taxis or ride-sharing services. I bet you didn't know the do's and don'ts of making Paris your home sweet home. Let's count them down. Do come prepared. Paris is a city that thrives on its rich culture and history, and being well prepared will help you integrate smoothly into the Parisian lifestyle. Brush up on your French, because while Parisians are generally welcoming, speaking the language makes all the difference. It opens doors to deeper connections and helps you navigate daily life with ease. From ordering a croissant at a local bakery to asking for directions, knowing French will enhance your experience. Do teach English. Many Parisians are eager to learn English, and your native skills can be a valuable asset. Plus, it's a great way to meet locals and immerse yourself in the community. Do consider being a tour guide. With your charming accent and bubbly personality, you could definitely make it as a tour guide, sharing your love for Paris with fellow travelers. Imagine leading groups through the historic streets, narrating tales of the city's past, and showing off hidden gems that only a true Parisian would know. Don't miss out on inspiring others. Your enthusiasm and passion for the city could spark a love for Paris in others, creating a ripple effect of new explorers ready to discover the magic of this beautiful city.